Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna make delicious avocado toast, keto style. All we're gonna need are 4 ingredients: keto bread, which can be found at Costco or a local grocery store, a package of guacamole, some mayonnaise, and optionally, an egg. Here we go. First, you'll need some keto bread. You can check out my other videos on where to get this, whether it's Costco, and the nutritional benefits of this 0 net grams of carbs keto bread. Next, you'll need some mayonnaise. About a tablespoon is enough. Just smear that all over the bread. Now you want to spread the mayonnaise all over the face of the bread. The mayonnaise is used instead of butter as a browning agent when we sear the bread in the pan. And there you go. That's all the prep that's needed. Now it's time to get cooking. Now I've got a pan heating on low to medium heat. We're going to take the bread and toast it on one side just to warm it up. Now the fun part. We're going to flip the bread over so the mayonnaise is facing down. Now it's going to start to sizzle. This only takes a minute for the bread to nicely brown. I'm going to speed up the video just to move things along. Boy, that smells good. Now we're ready. Time to flip it over and check out the browning. Ooh, very nice golden brown color. Nice and toasty. We'll set this aside for a little later. Since the pan is hot, we can fry our egg. I use a little olive oil, but you may use any oil you wish. Here we go. I fry my egg for about 2 minutes or so, and depends on how runny you like the yolk. So I'll speed up the video again. Now I really like a crispy crust on my egg, so I'll add a little bit more oil just to ensure that crust forms. And then I'll cover it so the rest of the yolk and the tops of the whites can continue cooking. And there you go, a perfectly fried egg with a slightly runny yolk. Now I like to season my egg with a little freshly ground black pepper. You can season it with whatever you like. All right, here's the toast we made earlier. Now we're gonna just use some guacamole in a packet, much easier than cutting up an avocado. And we're gonna smear it all over the bread. Whoops, we'll get some on the plate. We'll clean that up a little later. I like to add a little bit more pepper to the guacamole. Let me know what you like. and a little cayenne for that kick. Here comes the egg. Now that is a thing of beauty. Just place it right on top of that guacamole. And now you're done. This is the perfect avocado toast. Keto friendly, might I add. Let's cut it open and take a look. Look at that runny yolk. Time to eat. Not only is this nutritious, but it took less than 5 minutes to make. Bon appetit! Now look at that last bite. Good. Crispy bread, creamy guacamole, and a nice runny yolk. For those keeping track of calories and macros, here are the nutritional labels and nutritional facts for the ingredients used. For those keeping keto score, here are the macros for the keto bread, mayo, guacamole, and egg. Each avocado toast has around 300 calories, 24 grams of fat, 2 net carbs, and 12 grams of protein. For macros, as a percent of calories, 71% is from fat, 3% is from carbs, and 16% from protein. That's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and have a great day.